Hi my friend, I hope this video will help you to understand uh, the implementation better. So first I will read this message with you, your message. Uh, Maybe I was not able to write that good, so I try to explain through a video message. So as for implementation, not sure what you mean by that, but no, there is no JavaScript anywhere in the code. Datepicker always worked as it was. Listen, I show you. Here is your website. I show you the source code. Right click, view page source. If you see, it's starting with HTML but not ending with, right? So somewhere your theme is breaking and it's not loading the scripts. Okay, that was my point. Let me read your message further. As it was always working before, I show you how does it work. We'll have a look first. In your case, the start date and end date are having IDs. I have already checked. ID date picker, ID date picker 2. So for example, if I check it here, so it will become ID date picker comma ID date picker 2, like hash for ID. So this website is, I'm using this website for demo testing. I can send this URL to you as well, as it is working, if you see, right? And if I show you the page source here, this page is starting with HTML, ending with HTML. Before ending, there is a script tag. It comes from footer PHP, a normal footer PHP, which is not being ignored or avoided by an exit or any break or any errors in any theme, or maybe due to any plugin. So what happens in this code here, this plugin expects that hash datepicker 2 will be inserted through the plugin, and that will make this simple text as a date picker field, simple text field as a date picker field. I'm sending you this URL so you can check with source code as well. Okay, now I read your message further. Your tip is not clear. This is where more sufficient description is needed. Okay, not everybody is a programmer, I agree, nor do we want to be. uh, Obviously I'm not expecting you that you are a programmer, but if you remember, you came up with the PHP problem. This plugin is a super simple plugin that simply provide any selector like hash, tag name, or class, like this, hash, class with dot, or tag name. So you came up to the support forum. So when you came here, obviously you are describing your problem, something related to code, the problem from inside the plugin. So ultimately my answers will be technical as well, but obviously I didn't ask you to be a programmer. Okay, next, please explain your instructions and explanations to where us non-programmers can understand them. It is not clear how to put Datepicker on the page and how to set it up. It shows 3 methods but only one. HTML makes any sense and how to use it is not explained. The video is no help. This video hopefully will be very helpful to you. Look here, this text field is having id dop. Your text field is having id date picker and id date picker 2. Everything is perfect. Then why your uh, version is not working? Because your source code is telling me that because there is some problem with your form. You're having some kind of glitch in your form or theme or any plugin which is preventing it from preventing it with uh, it is preventing it from ending the HTML and body tags properly, because as expected it should close all the required tags like this with body and HTML, and it should include the JavaScripts and jQuery. Everything comes in the footer.php by default. It's not a kind of that you need to learn about programming. It is something I'm telling you, there is some problem related to your implementation, the setup you are using or trying to work with, right? There is no problem with the plugin. Try this plugin with some other page which is really ending as a properly closed tags with HTML and body tag, and having the WP footer action. I mean, obviously that it's a little technical again. How can I explain? But the simple implementation is, whatever the ID of the field is, you need to use it here on the settings page and save changes. That's it. It's super simple. I'm sending this video to you. Hopefully it will help you, and in case you are still not getting it, as you have my demo website URL, you can contact me. I can help you directly further.